Hello Vivekian, how are you? Hope you all are fine and staying safe. Welcome to School from Home. I am Sumita, your nursery class teacher. Today I am going to tell you a story. Storytelling can be used as a method to teach ethic values and culture norms. Storytelling plays a very important role in improving child memory and language skill. It is increase the child imagination skill. So today we are listening a story of Bear and the Beast. Are you ready? Are you ready to listen a story? Yes. Okay. First of all, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a bear. And do you know where the bear lives? In the jungle. Yes. And what is this? Yes, this is a honey bee. So, let's start the story of Mr. Bear and our tiny honey bee. So, shall we start the story of Bear and the bees? Is happening on that picture? Who is he? Yes, this is a bear. And what is that flying insects? Hmm, this is a honey bees. Do you know where the honey bee live? Honey bee lives in the beehive. This is the beehive. And you know, honey bee make honey in their beehive. That's why we call them honey bee. What is happening on that next picture? Oh, oh, oh. Why that bear is looking very scared? And I think he trying to jump into the river. Why? And why these bees behind the bear? Do you know? No. If you want to know, you have to listen the story. So, shall we start the story? Okay? Okay. One there was a bear who lived near the mango tree. On that tree, the bees made his beehive. The bear always watching the beehive with his greedy eyes. See how he looking the beehive with his greedy eyes. है ना? Greedy means lalchi. Soon the bees came to know that the bear wants to steal their honey. Steal means चोरी करना. बट चोरी करना तो बैड मैनर्स होती है ना. So they wants to punish the bear. Punish means सजा देना. वो क्यों सजा देना चाहती थी? Because they wants to save their beehive from the bear. One day the bear watching the beehive with his greedy eyes, one small bee came and stung on the bear cheek. Stung means dunk marna. Oh my god. The bear got angry and he shouted, "You stung me? I'll break your beehive and drink all your honey." After saying that, the bear started climbing on the tree. Climb means chadna. All the bees came together and start attack on the bear. Oh my god. They attack on the bear. Oh my god. And they stinging on the bear body. Oh, the bear roar in a pain and climb down the mango tree. All the bees chased the bear near the river. Why? Because because they want to save their honey from the bear. To save himself from the bees, the bear jumped into the river. My God. And he never came back to the mango tree. And all the bees saved their beehive from the bear. So children, I hope you enjoyed the story. Read this story with your mama papa from the book of songs, rhymes and stories. So parents, today we explain the story through pictures. I request to you, please read this story 4-5 times with your children from the books and make some short sentence and explain the story to the children. And next time, let your child explain the story in his own words. Thank you. Have a nice day.